I'm registered dietitian Janine Faber, working with the Kentucky Beef Council. Do you know Chuck? I'm happy to introduce you to him. He is the newest team member of Beef It's What's for Dinner. He's powered by Google Artificial Intelligence, and he can answer your beefy questions. Let me share 4 facts with you about him today. He's all beef knowing. Chuck knows beef from recipes, cuts, nutrition information, cooking tips, and so much more. He's also really easy to access. Go to chuckknowsbeef.com or enable him through Amazon Alexa or Google Home Assistant. He's also constantly learning. Just like beef, Chuck gets better with age. So as you continue to ask questions, he'll continue to learn and adapt to better answer your questions. And he comes in a cute little package with a fun personality. Hey Alexa, launch Chuck Knows Beef.
Hey, I'm Chuck, your guide to all things beef. I can help with recipes, cuts, cooking tips, and a whole lot more. How can I help?
Lean beef cuts.
Unsure of all your beefy options? You'll read them one by one. Say the number of the cut you'd like to try, or say more to hear more cuts. 1. Tri-tip roast. 2. Strip steak. 3. Flank steak.
3.
Flank steak is on the right side of tasty. It's lean and boneless with lots of intense beef flavor. This cut is best when marinated and grilled, sliced thin and stir-fried, or oven broiled.
Thanks, Chuck. For more information on Chuck Knows Beef, go to chuckknowsbeef.com.